Welcome to Best Choice. The Best Shaving Cream Warmer is probably one of the most overlooked yet impactful upgrades you can make to your daily grooming ritual, transforming a mundane task into a luxurious experience by delivering perfectly heated lather that softens your beard and reduces irritation, ensuring a smoother, closer shave every single time, making it an essential tool for anyone serious about achieving the ultimate shave. Number 5. Viking Revolution Luxury Shaving Cream, Sandalwood. Elevate your daily routine with our luxurious shaving cream. It's designed to provide a superior shaving experience. Indulge in a warm and sophisticated aroma of sandalwood. This scent adds a touch of class to your shave. Achieve a soft, smooth, and silky finish with every use. Our cream ensures your skin feels incredible post-shave. Enjoy the rich, dense lather it creates. This abundant foam is key to achieving the closest and most comfortable shave possible. This generous 5.3-ounce container ensures you have plenty of product. It's built to last, providing value and consistent quality. Transform your shaving ritual into a moment of luxury. It's the perfect addition for any man seeking a premium shave. What we like. Experience a luxurious shave with a rich, creamy lather. If you're looking for a classic, masculine scent and a smooth finish, this is for you. It's perfect for those who appreciate a traditional grooming experience. What people say. This cream lathers nicely and it is one of the smoothest and slickest item I've shaved with. It lathers up nicely using small amounts of cream in a brush and it provides a very slick shave with dew drag using a Gillette Fusion Power Razor. You need only a teeny bit on the brush and you get a great lathering. Oh, and my face has an absolute great shave, smooth as silk. Number 4. True Glow by Conair Lotion Warmer. Enjoy the simple pleasure of silky smooth skin with this heated lotion dispenser. Warm lotion penetrates deeply to moisturize and revitalize your skin. It gently warms your favorite lotion in just 2 minutes, working with any hand or body lotion. This allows for a deep hydrating treatment that eases dry, stressed skin. The soothing warm lotion can decrease signs of aging and sun damage. Use this heated lotion pump for a spa-level treatment right at home. From cleansing brushes to facial steamers, this device helps make every day a spa day. It's part of a range of tools designed for your skincare needs. Conair offers high-quality beauty tools for all your needs. Discover the difference our skincare tools can make for your daily routine. What we like. Enjoy the simple pleasure of warm lotion for deeply moisturized skin. If you suffer from dry or aging skin and want an at-home spa treatment, this is your solution. It's ideal for anyone seeking enhanced hydration and a revitalized complexion. What people say. It cycles on and off to prevent overheating the lotion. It also heats only the lotion in the dispensing tube, so it does not affect the lotion's consistency. Holds 16 ounces and very wide top the same diameter as unit itself. Also, a plus is that it only heats the portion of lotion that you prime, a few pumps, to the top. That way all the lotion is not constantly getting heated and then turned off. The dispenser takes 2 minutes to heat up, then shuts off and stays warm for the entire shaving episode. The butter is more runny when heated, but this is a feature and not a flaw. Lower viscosity means easier to spread on skin than 60-degree higher viscosity butter that has the consistency of, well, cold lotion, think jelly. Number 3. Viking Revolution Stainless Steel Shaving Bowl. Experience durability like never before. This shaving bowl is crafted from premium stainless steel, designed to withstand daily use and resist rust and dents for years to come. It's the ideal size for creating a rich, creamy lather. This bowl ensures a smooth and close shave every time, especially when paired with our shaving soap. Elevate your daily grooming ritual beyond basic foam. This bowl provides the control and performance needed for a superior shave, especially with our badger hair shaving brush. Looking for a practical and classy gift? This stainless steel shaving bowl is a man-approved present that he'll genuinely use and appreciate. We stand by our products. If you're not completely satisfied with your purchase, simply reach out to us, and we'll make it right. What we like. Elevate your daily ritual with a robust and perfectly sized shaving bowl. If you desire a premium feel and a consistently great lather for your wet shave, this is the choice. It's designed for the discerning individual who values quality and durability. What people say. Double wall construction keeps lather warm enough. Stainless steel is really easy to clean. The steep walls keep the lather in the bowl. Number 2. GilletteLabs Heated Razor Starter Kit. Experience the sensation of a hot towel shave with the world's first heated razor. It awakens your senses for an unparalleled shaving experience. Feel continuous, soothing warmth with every stroke. It heats up in less than a second, providing instant comfort to your skin. This device is completely waterproof. You can enjoy a comfortable shave whether you're at the sink or in the shower. This starter kit includes everything you need: the heated razor handle, 2 blade refills, a magnetic wireless charging dock, and a smart plug. Enjoy the convenience of magnetic docking and wireless charging. The long-lasting battery provides up to 6 shaves on a single charge. Experience incredible comfort thanks to its innovative flex disc technology. It ensures maximum contact with the warming bar for a perfect shave every time. What we like. Indulge in the sensation of a hot towel shave, anytime, anywhere. If you crave ultimate comfort and a remarkably close shave with soothing warmth, this is a game changer. It's perfect for those who want to transform their routine into a luxurious experience. What people say. Warms up fast, feels very good in the hand and is very sharp. Smooth shave and the heated part feels so good. Came with a cool travel case that perfectly holds the razor. The heated part feels so good. The 5 blades give the smoothest feel when cut. Number 1. Anthony's Shaving Cream for Sensitive Skin. Experience a superior shave designed specifically for sensitive skin. Our formula is crafted to provide comfort and care with every use. Infused with squalane, eucalyptus, spearmint, and rosemary extracts, it actively soothes and refreshes your skin. Enjoy a cool sensation that prepares your skin for a perfect shave. This cream doesn't just protect, it conditions your skin. Achieve a remarkably smooth finish after every shave, leaving your skin feeling soft and revitalized. We understand the needs of sensitive skin. That's why this product is formulated to minimize irritation and maximize comfort, ensuring a pleasant shaving experience. Get more of what you love with this convenient 2-pack. You'll have plenty on hand to maintain your grooming routine without interruption. What we like. Achieve a comfortable and refreshing shave, even with sensitive skin. If you're looking for a formula that calms, cools, and conditions while you shave, this is the one. It's ideal for individuals prone to irritation who want a smooth, revitalized feel post-shave. What people say. The combination of these natural extracts not only provided a pleasant fragrance but also contributed to a soothing sensation on my skin. The cream created a rich and dense lather that allowed for a close, comfortable shave without any discomfort whatsoever. A small amount goes a long way. I can make a tube last 6 months shaving every few days. My beard is well lubricated. Has stopped razor burn completely. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.